It's been said that life is like a box of chocolates, in that you never know what's inside. According to federal prosecutors, Charles Jewell may not have known for sure what was inside the car he agreed to drive from Mexico to the United States, but prosecutors argued that he still was guilty of importing illegal drugs inside a secret compartment in the car because he deliberately avoided learning what was in the compartment. Were the prosecutors correct? The United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit addressed this issue in United States v. Jewell. A man approached Jewell and asked him to drive a car from Mexico to California. Inside a hidden compartment in the car were illegal drugs. Jewell knew that there was a hidden compartment and suspected that it contained drugs, but he deliberately avoided confirming his suspicions when he agreed to drive the car across the border. Federal agents stopped the car and arrested Jewell after they discovered the hidden drugs. A federal grand jury indicted Jewell for knowingly importing the drugs into the United States. Jewell pleaded not guilty. At his jury trial, Jewell testified that he didn't know that the drugs were inside the car. Because there was evidence that Jewell deliberately avoided learning that drugs were in the car, coupled with his knowledge of the hidden compartment and his suspicions that it contained drugs, the prosecutors asked the district court to give the jury a deliberate ignorance instruction. The court agreed and instructed jurors that they could find the mens rea element of knowledge if they found that Jewell's lack of positive knowledge that drugs were concealed in the car was solely because of his conscious purpose to avoid learning the truth. The jury convicted Jewell. Jewell appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit.